In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a floating geometric wall shelf in SketchUp. First of all, we have to make a basics with we have to make existing wall with a rotated rectangle. So then we have to drag it to the right side around 3,500 millimeter approximately. And then for the thickness of the wall, around 150 millimeter only, it's enough. So then we have to push it to the upper position around 3,000 millimeter, just like this. Okay, and then we can click it all and make it group for this existing wall. So then, and after that, we have to make the geometric basic shape of our geometric backdrop on this position. We have to make a rectangle anyway. We have to make a rectangle. So we have to make a line in this position. We can draw it. Just feel free to draw it anyway. We can just make it this line anyway. So then we can make the geometric object of the backdrop of this wall shelf anyway. So then we can make the thickness around 24 millimeter. Okay, and then we can make the another horizontal shelf here. And then we can push it forward around maybe about 300 millimeter approximately. So then we have make a group, and then we can make a vertical shelf in here again, just like this. And then we can make the variation about the vertical shelf. Yet we can drag a diagonal line, and then we have to push it to another unnecessary shape to the limit. Okay, and then we can just make it group anyway. So and then we can select it all, make it group, and just make the we can assign with the synthetic material. We can use formica laminated light. And so then we have to make the component create. So then we have to move and duplicate it to the another position. So then we have to flip it along with the red axis. Then we have to move it up. Then we have to duplicate it again to the another position, and we can duplicate it again to the another position, as artistic as we want anyway. We can arrange this wall shelf to make it more decorative wall, or maybe we can also make the another wall color to make more colorful and homey vibes on this position, this area. Thanks for watching, and wait for my next video. Thank you.